Hello students, welcome back. So today we'll be discussing topic flexibility. It is also a part of physical fitness component. So earlier we have discussed about endurance and speed, and flexibility also. It's a small topic, very easy and simple topic. So I'll be going through this. According to American Council of Exercise, flexibility defines a range of motion of a given joint or group of joint to level or tissue extensibility that muscles also group possesses. This means this definition might be difficult for you. You can go through the next definition mentioned. The flexibility is the ability of joint to move up in maximum range. It's ability of joint to move up to maximum range. Suppose you are a layman, you have never stretched yourself. ठीक है? Suppose I'll tell you कि you want to touch the feet, your feet with this fingers, ठीक है? But you'll not be able to extend yourself like this, ठीक है? But with practice of for 10 days or 20 days, you'll be able to touch the ground with fingers without bending your knees. You should not bend your knees and you should not exert yourself. Push भी नहीं करना कि मतलब धक्के नाल ही टच करना, ठीक है जी? If I'll say that I can touch these fingers, आप मेरे हाथ हैंग कर सकते हैं, नहीं होंगे. But if I'll take help of any person to help me for joining my hands, it will be possible within 5 or 6 days. So flexibility is its ability of a body, a person to move his joints up to maximum range. पैर जितने तक मुड़ सकता है, रोज प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, ठीक है? So flexibility is the ability to joint to move in maximum range, up to maximum range कहते हैं. In other words, flexibility is the ability to execute movement with great amplitude or range. Commonly, flexibility is known as stretchability, elasticity, suppleness, and mobility. Flexibility varies from joint to joint due to structure surrounding or adjoining ligaments, tendons, and muscles. It is measured through flexometers. Means some joints are very stiff. We can't extend them up to a particular range. But some joints are very flexible. जिਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ legs stretch ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ. If you are a layman, you won't be able to stretch your legs like that. But practicing after 10 days or 20 days, you can stretch your legs very properly. ठीक है जी? So now next topic is types of flexibility. Basically, it is of two types: passive and active. Passive means doing any of the exercise with the help of others. I told you example also कि with external help कि मेरे तो नहीं इत्थे जाते, but I'll ask someone else to help me to join my hands. If you are sitting on the ground, you want that you want to touch your head on your knees, but you are not able to. But you can take help of any person, but don't push yourself क्योंकि झटका नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Slowly up to the range if your muscles can bear, you can say stop, ठीक है? Slowly increase your flexibility. So passive means doing any exercise with the help of other, किसी बंदे दी help नाल exercise करनी. Example, stretching exercise with a partner. Active flexibility, it is performed without external help कि तुसी आप ही अगे झुक रहे हो इस तरह, ठीक है? आप पिछे ਨੂੰ जा रहे हो, इधरों ही आ रहे हो, इधरों जा रहे हो. You are stretching yourself without any help. Then active flexibility is of two types: static and dynamic. Static means stable. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਖੜੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਝੁਕ ਕੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ? Without bending legs, ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੂੰ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ. This is called static. ਤੇ dynamic ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ movement ਨਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, like this. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, this is called dynamic. ਇੱਦਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ movement ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਝੁਕਦੇ ਹੋ, that is called dynamic with the movement. Gymnastics ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ? That is called dynamic flexibility. Static means खड़े stationary position to dynamic with the movement, ठीक है जी? Methods of improving flexibility. Flexibility is ability to joint to move to in maximum range. In other methods, flexibility is the ability to execute movement with greater amplitude or range. Flexibility can be developed with the help of following method. First is ballistic method. It is a method of development of flexibility movement is performed with a swing or rhythmic way. Swing means इस तरह, Blastic methods. Swing, ठीक है, इथों ऐ हो गया, ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड Blastic. Swing नाल करते हैं ਆਪਾਂ, ठीक है जी, नाल मूवमेंट करते हैं पूरी, ठीक है, rhythmically with the count. In such count, the joint is stretched in maximum limit and it's again flexed. Before performing exercise, proper warm up is necessary. ठीक है, दिस इज Blastic. जे च swing है, ਆਪਾਂ मूवमेंट्स करते हैं, ठीक है जी, इस तरह भी ਹੁੰਦਾ है, इस तरह, ठीक, इधर ਇਹ ਚ पूरा पूरा एंगल ही है ना, ਹੁੰਦਾ पूरा इस तरह, बॉडी ਨੂੰ पूरा स्ट्रेच करना, ठीक है. स्टैटिक स्ट्रेचिंग मीन्स स्टैटिक स्ट्रेचिंग मेथड सेम, खड़े खड़े स्टैटिक स्टेबल, इधर हो गए, इधर हो गए, इधर हो गए, इधर हो गए. सो विद दीज एक्सरसाइज विच आर डन विद द स्टैंडिंग एट वन पॉइंट, ठीक है जी. डायनेमिक सेम थिंग इज देयर विद द मूवमेंट. ਤੁਸੀਂ स्ट्रेच कर रहे हो पूरा अपना पैर अगे करके, दैन यू आर स्ट्रैचिंग योर लैग्स, ठीक है जी. तो प्रोस्पेक्टिव जी न्यूरोमस्कुलर फैसिलिटेशन टेक्निक, इट इज़ द टेक्निक विच इज़ डिवेलप इन द लैब्स. वो लैब्स ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਪਲੇਅਰ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਰਵ ਕੰਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਦਿੰਦੇ, ਮਾੜਾ ਮੋਟਾ ਉਹ ਦੇ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਟ੍ਰਿਮੋਰ ਦੇ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਵਾਰਮ ਅਪ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆਰਟੀਫਿਸ਼ਲੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਸੋ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਡਨ ਇਨ ਦ ਜਿਮਸ ਐਂਡ laboratories. This technique is used for advanced sportsmen and develop flexibility. It involves isometric muscle construction with involved muscle with a stretch of attempt through good muscle relaxation. ठीक है जी. So in warm up करके किसी proper ना gym दे विच जा मसाज दे नाल, then it is applied on the athlete. To develop flexibility, following points should be kept in mind. To develop flexibility, exercise should be performed with the sportsman when the sportsperson is fresh. The fatigue condition, the muscle cannot be stretched to maximum limit. देखो, when you are very tired, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਥੱਕੇ ਹੋਏ ਹੋ, don't stretch yourself then. Wait till your muscle relaxes. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. Wait till that ਕਿ warm up ਕਰਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਰਿਲੈਕਸ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਕਰੋ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. And don't push yourself to maximum limit. ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, if you can go up to this range, go to up to this range. Don't extend yourself कि मैं आज ही थल्ले जाना, नहीं, don't do this, otherwise it can lead to muscle pull, ठीक है. Flexibility reduces it exercise and not performed to maintain it. Flexibility reduce हो जाती है. देखो, if I will not be stretching myself for 10 days 20 days 30 days, it automatically ligaments ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, rubber ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, it will come to same place, always stretch ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ, ठीक है. वापस आ जाए. Exercise to improve flexibility should be performed after warm up, ठीक है. No warm up ਤੁਹਾਡਾ muscle pull ਹੋਣ ਦਾ, over stretching of muscle can be there. For effective improvement of flexibility, sufficient number of repetitions should be performed. Like what yoga asanas are there, means they are basically flexibility exercise also, yoga asanas, but you have to stay there for 5 seconds. ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਨੂੰ ਝੁਕ ਰਿਹਾ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ, if I am sitting on the ground, I want to touch my feet, toes, ठीक है, सीधे without bending. I am sitting on the ground with straight legs. I want to touch my toes. Then I will be extending my arms at that direction, in that direction. Then I'll be staying there for 5 seconds. जितों तक मैं जा सकता, not more than that, 5 to 10 seconds. Then वापस आओ slowly. ठीक है जी. The development of flexibility should be done before puberty. It's difficult to develop flexibility after puberty. The flexibility of hip and shoulder joint can be improved before puberty. The flexibility of joint can be improved during adolescence. I'll give you example. You might have seen in China also what they start gymnastics at the age of 3. Gymnastics छोटी उम्र से करनी चाहिए है. The world champion, the small girl who was world champion, her age was only 9. She got world medalist. She got a bronze medal also in one world championship. She was only 3 years old. She was 9 at when she has won medal at world championship. 9 years old. So you should start this practice flexibility exercises or gymnastics at very low age. While doing exercise, the improving flexibility, avoid jerky movements. I am telling you again and again कि avoid jerky movement, झटका नहीं मारना आप किसी भी joints से, so that it should not lead to any muscle pain or joint pain or overstretching of ligament, or it can lead to injury. So we have covered our this flexibility topic. So last topic is left, coordination abilities and definition and its types. we'll be covering in next class. So only last topic is left and one chapter is left of yours, that test and measurement. And circuit training last, this is been deleted from your syllabus. So we'll be doing coordinative abilities in next class. So thank you very much.